Hi, I'm Dr. Paul. Let me share with you how personal injury workshops will help triple your profits in 90 days treating personal injury patients. And this is really all from the comfort of your office. Now, there are three reasons you should be treating personal injury patients. Number one is you make more money. The average personal injury case can be $2,500 or more compared to maybe $800 for a major medical case. Also, with personal injury, you typically get more treatments per patient. Now, what does that mean? It means you will also need less new patients. And number three is there's no competition. 67% of all personal injuries are soft tissue, according to the Insurance Research Council. So there's a huge opportunity with personal injuries and chiropractors. Now, I found that there's three main problems, though. Number one, there's a marketing problem, there's a documentation problem, and a case management problem. Marketing, most chiropractors do not know how to market and attract personal injury patients. And I found if they did know how to do that, they probably would. Number two is documentation. I've also found most chiropractors do not know how to objectify and quantify personal injuries. And number three is case management. I've also found most chiropractors do not know how to base the treatment protocol on the physiological facts of the science of the three phases of healing. And of course, that's required by all insurance companies. So we've created a solution. And what we have is internet-based personal injury workshops. And they include 12 live weekly personal injury workshops. They also include case management presentations. And we use the internet and a webcam. And it includes recorded sessions in case you miss any. And we include live questions and answers. And so we train you weekly live on the internet in the comfort of your office how to attract, document, and treat personal injury patients to increase your profits for the same amount of work. As an example, an average major medical case, again, may be $800. An average personal injury case will be almost more than threefold that amount, or $2,500. The 7 personal injury modules that we teach and the subjects that we teach are, there's a clinical module, there's a documentation module, there's a colossus module which explains how to document the financial drivers and what they are. We also teach the basics of the repairment, how to do impairments, especially for the main injuries that chiropractors see. Then we also teach how to do depositions and court testimony. And then we also teach the basics of marketing to attract personal injury patients. And then we also give you and teach the forms, personal injury forms, on how to document all this. So for more information, you can go to chiropractic personalinjurymarketing.com.